Here we have the Play-Doh. It's a 10 set right here that I purchased. I do love the different colors that it has right here. And these are the 2-ounce little cups. They do come in 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounces. So I just want to point out that these are the 2 ounces. You guys can see the different colors right here. That's why I got this package. We have black, yellow. We have a peach color over here, pink, white. We have more of an aqua, purple, green, blue, and then we have a controversial pink slash, what do we call it? Sure, we'll call it pink. We'll call it orange. What do you call it?
Red.
We'll call it a reddish pink right there. Okay, how about that? Okay, you guys, so this is Play-Doh. Play-Doh brand has been around forever. This entertains the kids. They love it. Let me go ahead and pop one open for you guys could see it. You guys can't smell it, but it smells good like Play-Doh should right there. So let me go ahead and pop one out so you guys could see. Okay, here we have our yellow Play-Doh. We could mold this pretty much to whatever we want right here. And the cool thing is we have the different colors. So my kids are asking for SpongeBob, so we always have to get the yellow one. We got the black one right here. We're gonna do Mickey. So we have kind of like the reddish pants. We have the black. So that's why we bought this set right here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.